Hello friends, hi, this is Shah from Shah's Info channel. I'm so excited today to show you this gaming console. I would say it's a gaming device. It's a mini arcade game. The game is really old one. It is called Elevator Action. I used to play this game like 15 to 17 years back, and this is one of my favorite game. It's so addictive once you start to play this, and really I'm so excited today to share this the mini arcade game with you guys. Have a look, enjoy yourself. I'll just speak to you in between and then explain what's this game about, and yeah, just enjoy the video, guys. So yeah, basically, I was just do a window shopping in Japan Electronics Market, and then I came across this one, and I just wanted to buy as soon as I saw this game. It was like 5,000 Japanese yen, which cost around like 40 to 42 pounds, British pounds. So yeah, it's not bad considering this nostalgic game. Like this game was introduced in 1983, which is like 26 years ago, and still it is there on the market, which is so surprising for me. And yeah, I must buy this. So it has got like micro USB. You can either play using a micro USB or you can play using 4 AA batteries. So you can't ask anything more than that. It has got micro USB to it, which is so amazing. Yeah, when I was like kid, I used to play this on video games, like you have to buy some video game cassettes, and by plugging onto the video game you can play using a joystick on the TV. So it's so cool, and there's like two play option. You can just compete with the other guy based on the high score. So yeah, we used to play hours and hours. Oh man, it's so addictive. The package was really good, the you can feel the quality from the package, and there's a small booklet explaining the function of different buttons and how to power it up, stuffs like that, which is pretty cool. It shows the quality in it. Unfortunately, yeah, all in Japanese, but still there are like the figures to explain it, so it's quite easy. You can figure it out like without any handbook. So you see that red door on that graphics, you have to get into that red door and collect some files. That's the main task. And then yeah, just protect you from other fire shots, I mean gunshots. Just protect you by you can do two actions. Either you can jump over the bullet, I mean to dodge the bullet, or you can just sit down, like squat down, to dodge the bullet. You can fire as well, and then you can control the lift. You can go up and down, you can walk on the floors, and then you can use the staircase. So it's so cool. And then you can get into that red door. There is like small markings on the floor, just you need to go there and stand, and then press down direction. Automatically you get into that. Yeah, overall I just like the build quality, and the finish, and the buttons, everything looks solid. It has got nice weight to it. It's not really heavy, not light, it's like balanced. You got speaker there, a battery cover. Yeah, you need to use 4 AA batteries, But yeah, I would stick with the micro USB. It's so easy just to connect to your computer or laptop. It's so easy with the micro USB. And here's the volume button, and it has got 3.5 mm jack. That's so amazing. That's so amazing. Yeah, this is just a graphic sticker. Once we remove it, we have a nice LCD screen on the back, color LCD screen. Yeah, it's not of a great quality, but it's good one. Considering the current mobile phone screens, it doesn't match to that, but yeah, this LCD screen is not bad either. This is more than enough for this game, I would say, yeah. Let me remove the screen sticker. Here you have the screen. Let's turn it on. So what I have done is just used a micro USB powered from my laptop. So it's so simple actually. In that way, instead of getting a battery, you can do that if you don't like to have a wire running around. Battery is much simple and easy option. So to turn it on, just we need to push the button on the bottom. Yeah, give it a hard push. It's on, and here's the screen. You can play with your friends, like 2-player. It's so fun. You should try this if by any chance you can buy this. Yeah, just get into the lift. You can control the lift up and down. You can walk around the buildings. You can actually shoot the ceiling light. Then it turns the building to black color, which is so cool. Please like and subscribe my channel. I might give this away for a lucky winner. Yeah, I might do that actually. I'm thinking now. So please make sure to subscribe and post a comment. I might subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.